I'm Dr. Lutzmiri, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic System Level of Operating Virtualization for the subject Cloud Computing. System level of operating virtualization is one of the most important and the challenging virtualization. So we'll see the right from the introduction. OS virtualization or operating system virtualization works as the last mode of cloud computing virtualization. So far we have seen para virtualization, full virtualization, then storage virtualization, the network virtualization, desktop virtualization, and so many things. So it's of the mode of virtualization of the server. So OS virtualization means it which we use software that lets a system hardware run different operating system on a single computer. So multiple operating systems will be running on a single computer. So these multiple operating systems can be used for running different applications. So those operations should not be interfering with each other. So uses of what are the benefits of OS virtualization? So it separates different application into multiple particles or containers. So it creates a virtual hosting environment. That is the best thing, and so that's needed. So operating system virtualization moves its resources on individual servers by integrating server hardware. The resources get security by the operating system virtualization as these resources get harmed by suspicious users. So working methodology is all the hardware as well as software from the computer can be managed by the operating system. The operating system allows the running multiple computer programs simultaneously on the machine with the help of the CPU of that computer. The operating system connects to some parts of the device so that each application and program can run successfully on that device. So what may be the types of OS virtualization? So Windows operating system virtualization, Linux operating system virtualization. So in Windows virtualization, we have to install VMware workstation software in the first place. Then you can install Windows software virtual. So Linux operating, you have to install VM software in the first place of installing any software. OS virtualization requires installing VMware software in the first place to virtualize Linux operating system. OS virtualization in cloud computing works via two virtual disks. Therefore, the client will be able to connect to the disk through the network. So what are the two disks? The shared disk and private disk. Multiple companies or clients can use the shared disk at a time. The change created by the companies applies separately and clears the cache. Other client setting will not be affected after the restarting of the system. The system sets as default after the restarting process. A single client can use a private disk. The client or the company stores the information that may be based on the asset capacity. So advantages: traditional deploy in traditional experience in each computer more time to load separately. So compared to traditional system, it can be deployed quickly in seconds. Deployment is easier. So it saves money and time and doesn't require more maintenance due to the non-requirement of any hardware. So it's a space saver system too. It does not need the physical space used by the IT system because every instance of this system is virtual. So it helps companies to get better return on investment on the purchase. Better ROI. Because companies use server hardware with great efficiency, also companies enhance their operational work. So the fewer machines means lower maintenance, less power and more electrical saving and less requirement of cooling systems. OS virtualization is a good example of a security system as it finds resources in the number of mutual distant users. The server hardware can be merged by using virtualization by the system administrator. This can be processed by moving the resource to an individual host combined with two containers. Thank you.